Don't worry, love. You know I'd never hurt you.
Are you going to kill me?
You really think that low of me, Caroline?
Yes.
It's okay. It's okay, sweet.
I climb the walls, no one sees me, no one but you.
It would be impossible not to notice you, Caroline.
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world.
What are you afraid of?
You! I'm afraid of you. What is wrong with you? I am reaching out to you despite everything that you have done, and you still can't get out of your own way. God!
Do you regret the time we've spent together?
Yes, I cover our connection with hostility because, yes, I hate myself for the truth.
No, I don't regret our time together.
So take my hand and perfectly we fill the gaps.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're the same, Caroline.
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded
Kindness,
wings to be tamed.
forgiveness,
You've always loved the
pity.
stranger.
Because of you, Caroline. It was all for you. Caroline, I'm standing in one of my favorite places in the world, surrounded by food, music, art, culture, and all I can think about is how much I want to show it to you. Maybe one day you'll let me.
You weren't the villain in my story.
I happen to think that you're someone like me.
You've always loved the strange birds. I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've
never
always
forget
loved
you.
the stranger inside.